like to say good morning to everyone. I'm the Reverend Sylvester Williams. We want to talk with you briefly about the importance of voting, the importance of register to vote, and not just register, but to register and vote. Now, let me just give you a little brief history on the importance of voting. There was a time when we were segregated. We had white water fountains, colored water fountains. We had white schools, colored schools. But what changed all of that is the Voting Rights Act and the right that we won to vote. Now, we should not become complacent and thinking that everything is all right. I'm going to quote Beyonce by saying what she said. Beyonce said, "You must vote as if your life depended on it." And believe me, it does, for as your livelihood is concerned. So it's important for us to vote. Get out and vote, encourage others to vote, talk to family members, and make sure that everyone in your household that is voting age have registered to vote. If they have not, then we'd like for you to get them registered to vote and make sure that they vote. Vote your choice. I'm not telling you who to vote for, but I will say this. Vote for someone. Vote for the ones that have your interest at heart. Vote for the ones that will see you as a human being and not as an a-hole. Vote for the ones that will make sure that they have your best interest at heart. Don't let them sell your bill of goods, because they've been doing that for a long time. And always let us remember that systemic racism is alive and well in these United States of America. It is being proven every day. So the only way we can combat that is by voting. The only chance we have to change that is by voting. And so therefore, if we vote, we know that some changes can be made. Don't depend on Joe to vote, because Joe might be depending on you to vote. And then we mess around and no one will be voting. So we have to take this very seriously. Believe me, it is important. There was a time when we could not vote. There are those who served, lived, and died for us to have the right to vote. So we should be ashamed of ourselves if we don't get out and vote, because then they're suffering, they're being beaten, them being killed would have been in vain. So please, ma'am, and please, sir, make sure that you vote. And not only that, but we cannot paint all whites with the same brush. There are some good whites in these United States of America who will help you and not harm you. Make sure that you vote. Tell your friends and neighbors to vote. And make sure that you vote for those who have your interests at heart. I'm Reverend Sylvester Williams, former pastor of the Beulah Missionary Baptist Church, Camilla, Georgia. And I say to you again, doesn't matter how long the line is, tough it out. Might be a hardship on you, but endure it. The important thing is for you to register and vote. And for those of you that are registered, please vote. Those of you that are not registered, please register and vote. And we'll have a chance to get someone, the federal government on the top level, which is the presidency of these United States of America. Someone who sees us as a people, not as a second-class citizen or a nobody. Make sure that you vote for the ones, I repeat, that have your best interests at heart, and everything will be all right. Now, are we to be prayerful about this? Yes. Pray, don't stay, but pray, go, and vote. Thank you.